6 months ago, I tried something that should be simple. Watch what happens. Hey Google, can you find me an Italian restaurant in downtown Toronto for tonight?
Sure, here are some Italian restaurants that are open tonight in downtown Toronto. Gusto 101, Southern Italian classics with a global twist in an industrial setting. Rating 4.3 stars.
Okay, can you book it for me, please?
I cannot make restaurant reservations directly.
Isn't that weird? They can talk to me just fine, but they can't talk to the world. They can't discover businesses, they don't know who to trust. Remember answering machines? One machine calls another, leaves a message, no human needed. That's what AI should be able to do. But they can't. That infrastructure doesn't exist. I looked for 6 months, couldn't find it, so I'm building it. This is my new project, near Agora, Discovery and Trust Infrastructure for the Agent Economy. At 62, I'm having fun with Python, building everything in public. Over the next few weeks, I'll show you how it goes. If you're curious, everything's at leocharney.com. Tell me what you think, tell me what I missed, tell me where I'm wrong.